Hi class, for this exercise, open the link and let me show you what we're gonna do. So we're gonna flip, let's actually do just a single dice. And what I need you to do is, you can hit play and you can simply just hit, actually we need the relative frequency so that you actually see that the probability of getting like a number 6 or a single digit is approximately 17%. So what you're gonna see is if you basically continue this process for a long time, what you're gonna see is that the probability of each of these, it's gonna approximate 17% or 0.16. The actual calculator is giving us 0.16667, 0.17 with a little bit of rounding. And you're gonna see that if you continue this on the long run, remember that the law of large numbers says you continue this process indefinitely. That's going to be basically approaching the theoretical probability of 1 out of 6. And then here you can see that, getting a 6 is 17%, which is a rounding value, and all the other ones are going to approach that. So for this one, just take a screenshot of what you see and submit it. But I just wanted to do an exercise where you see, the probability reaching, in this case, the experiment reaching the theoretical probability. So submit a screenshot of your screen once you toss it a ton of times. And in this case, you're going to see that basically all of these are approaching 17%. And it's faster if you click on the 10,000 a couple of times, and then you're going to see that all of the values are going to approach that faster. You may have slightly different values. That's perfectly fine as long as you toss it a couple of times. In this case, do a couple 10,000s, and that would be it for this exercise. So submit a picture of what you see on your screen.